You've probably been hearing a lot about affiliate marketing, right? You've been thinking to yourself, how can I get started? I'm seeing a lot of people making money from affiliate marketing. What exactly is affiliate marketing, right? So in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how to get started, the best ways to get started, right? And also the best ways to be profitable in affiliate marketing, right? So if you're joining us for the first time, I'm Obi Emeka from 𝐷𝐿𝑒 Digital, a digital marketing and business growth agency here in Lagos, Nigeria, right? So as always, like the video, right? So that more people get to see this and of course learn from it, and also subscribe to the channel as well so that you get to see the future videos that we've planned for you guys. Okay, so let's jump right into action. First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Right. So as the name kind of implies, affiliate marketing. So affiliate, it means you are affiliated to something, right? Or a business. An affiliate more or less is someone who is like a partner of a business, kind of, right? But not exactly a partner, right? But when it comes to affiliate marketing, literally all it is you are affiliated with that business to help that business promote its goods and services. So that when a sale is eventually made, you get a commission for that sale, right? It's as easy as that. So basically, you're partner with a business or you're affiliated with a business, you help that business promote its goods and its services, right? And then when a sale is made, you get to keep some commission from that, right? And that's where you see a lot of companies having different commission models. Some might be 5%, some might be 50%, some might be 90%, right? So it depends on which company. But that's why you have a lot of people right now who are kind of promoting this business model. Yes, it is a business. We're promoting this business model because it is actually quite profitable, because you don't need to have any products. You don't need to have any services. All you need to do is figure out a way to promote their own goods and their own service, and you make a commission from a sale, right? Now, how exactly do you get started with affiliate marketing? As with all businesses, you need to understand that you need to find a niche. So if you're going to get started into affiliate marketing, you need to figure out a particular niche that you're just going to focus on. Right. So now there are several niches out there, right? I'm not going to decide for you which niche you actually get into, but there's some popular ones like the fitness niche, the health niche, the beauty niche. Literally there's so many, right? So niches are usually based on interest, right? So whatever anyone might have an interest in, that is a niche, right? And I guarantee you there's no niche out there that doesn't have some form of affiliate marketing. Right? So it doesn't matter what you're interested in, there's definitely an affiliate program out there for you. Let's say, for example, now you've identified a particular niche. So for example, home and furniture, for example, how do you then find an affiliate program for that niche, right? For that interest? It's very simple. You go onto Google, you simply search for that interest. So something like home, let's just use home, affiliate programs, right? And with this, I should be able to find some affiliate programs for homes, right? So home and decor, right? And with this, I should be able to find some affiliate programs that are within the niche I'm interested in, okay? So I need to close this. Okay, so you can see that there's some right here, Wayfair, Pier 1, there's a bunch of them right here. And you can see with this one, for example, let's see how much they're paying. So commission rate, 7%, right? So you may not be happy with this. You might be, it's up to you. So if you were to sign up to this program, you'll be getting 7% from every sale, right? So let's see what others are paying. So this is, let's go further down and see. So this is 30%. So if you're to make a sale with these guys, you get 30% off that sale, which is not bad. There's some that pay like 50, 60%, which isn't too bad, right? But personally, what I actually advise you to do is this, right? And this is what I'm currently doing for myself. I am actually focused in the software, right, and digital tools niche, right? So this niche tends to see a pretty decent commission rate, so between 30 to 60%, depending on which product you're an affiliate of. Right. So now, once you've identified your niche, you've identified the program you want to sign up to, right? You find it, you sign up to them. Once you're signed up and once you're accepted, right? Because you actually need to sign up onto these programs for you to get accepted, right? So once you're accepted, you should get a unique referral link, and that is what you use. That unique referral link is what you're going to be using to promote that business's products or services on the internet. Okay. So now, how do you go about promoting the products, right, or services. And this is the main part. And this is where most people mess up, right? Because this is where you actually get to make your money, right? It doesn't matter if you're affiliated with 10,000 businesses, right? If you're not kind of getting traffic to those links and getting conversions, there's just no point of having them because you're not making any money from them, right? So how exactly do you get traffic onto these links? Okay, so there are two main methods for you to actually do that, right? The first one is the free traffic. The second one is the paid traffic, right? And trust me when I say this, you do not want to start with the paid traffic because as a beginner, you don't really have that experience in running paid advertising, right? For affiliate products. You always want to start with the free method, right? And if that works well for you, based on the data you get from your free method, then you can then look at running advertising campaigns for that product, okay? Or service, right? So now, the free method, how do you go about it, right? Of course, a lot of people do use social media accounts, right? So they create theme pages. So there's something called a theme page. So a theme page basically is a page that resonates around a particular niche. So if I was about home and decor, for example, I'm going to have an account on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, whichever platform, right? And I'm going to be posting a lot about home decoration and stuff like that, furnitures and stuff like that, right? And make sure that I am able to grow an audience around that interest, right? And then once in a while, I would of course push out my affiliate products or affiliate links so that people who actually follow that page get to see it. If they're interested, they could go click on the link on my bio or something and go make a purchase, right? So that's one way of doing it, using social media, theme accounts and stuff like that, right? The other way is of course using a website, right? Having a website that has a blog section where you get to create a lot of content, written content about products in that niche, right? And then when people search on the internet, they read about stuff that you've written, if it makes sense to them, if they like what you've said to them and they like the product that you've kind of put in your blog, they click on it, they buy, you make a commission, right? That's how it works, right? So there's websites, there's social media accounts, theme pages. You also have YouTube as well. So YouTube is another option for free traffic when it comes to affiliate marketing. You can create a YouTube page that focuses on a particular niche and focuses on just making content around that particular niche. And trust me, any of these three methods is going to work for you when it comes to free traffic, right? The thing you need to know is, of course, it takes some time to grow an audience on social media. So, of course, using the free method does take some time and you need to grow these platforms to a decent number of followers, right? Or site visitors or subscribers, right? But you need to understand that if you really want to convert this into a business for yourself, you need to put in the time and understand that you have to put in the work as well, right? Because trust me, when you put in the time and do exactly what you're meant to do, you'll be in the big bucks. Right? You're going to find yourself making a lot of money through affiliate marketing. Okay. So that's going to be it for this video. And if you're still watching, thanks so much for sticking this far. And as always, like this video so that more people get to see this video and learn from it as well. Right? And make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get to see more videos that we're going to release in the future. Okay. Because we've got a lot of content planned out for you guys. Okay. So that's going to be it. It's been 𝐎𝐅𝐅𝐄𝐃 and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.